Hi, I'm Mrs. Olsen. For those who I haven't met yet, I'm your child or children's art teacher here at Dundee Elementary. The purpose of this video is to share with you and showcase just a few of the positive and creative changes offered this year as I bring the entire art process via Art a la carte to your child's classroom. So welcome to Mrs. Olsen's virtual gallery. I invite you to explore on your own time. Just grab a cup of tea. Click on an image and discover the links to some amazing learning opportunities for your kiddos. Flip through our virtual sketchbook where artists work through the entire artistic process while creating meaningful art with their own ideas and building on their artistic skills. Check out our Littlest Artists Art Choice Board to experience their amazing art opportunities too. And yes, you can even find out how to get rid of paint stains by clicking on the splatter. I won't give away all the fun now, but visit the links to this virtual gallery found in your child's Class Dojo account. With that, I'm convinced that I have the best job in the world. Thank you, families, for sharing your artists with me. We've got a lot of art making ahead of us this year. Stay tuned, be kind, stay creative. Olsen out.